U Delft voor een demonstratie van een mogelijke vorm van vrije energie.
Precies.
Er zijn een aantal mensen hier zo die allemaal nieuwsgierig zijn en die willen allemaal het wonder wel eens aanschouwen. Is het niet zo?
Okay. Zet nog weer op nulpunt.
Ja, die staat mooi op het plaatje hoor. Allemaal mensen, techneuten en idealisten.
May I ask you, who are you? Your name?
Herr Yıldız. Yıldız, Muammer Yıldız.
Okay. And you are the inventor of this machine?
Yes.
And you are?
I'm his legal advisor, the close friend. We are close friends, and I'm
very important. And you are?
I am Dick Korf, and I'm also busy with new energy, 0-point energy, free energy.
Okay.
So this is my card.
You are looking for free energy for a long time, I think.
Yes.
You found it today, I
found already, but this is an extra.
Okay, bye bye.
I'm very curious.
En dit is dan het wonder wat waarschijnlijk een wereldrevolutie zou kunnen gaan betekenen.
We are waiting for...
Well, I told the students that they could be here at 5:15, so maybe just 4 more minutes. If they're not here, then we will start. And well, I take this opportunity to thank everybody for being here, and especially Mr. Yildiz. Welcome.
Your name is?
My name is Koen Vermeeren. I'm from Delft University, and I'm just the organizer of this meeting. I met some of you guys already in the past, and I was quite enthusiastic about the phenomenon of energy from magnets. So that's the reason that I thought this opportunity, which is created by Jorge, is so interesting that in a very short notice we decided to keep this meeting here. And well, because it is a demonstration of an actually working machine, which is the most important thing that I think is the reason that you're all here. Let's start.
Okay.
I will give the floor to Jorge.
Cool. Thank you very much. I'll say this. Before I start talking, I only dare to say when I ask the inventor to start the machine, because it goes together with the experiment. Then you hear it from me, okay? Moment, can you please start? Please pay attention how it's going to start this thing. Can you start it? Please? Start. Yeah. You'll see here a fan working, no doubt, I suppose. I want to measure, for now, the power involved to move air through this cylinder. I put on the border, you have a mass with a certain speed, yes? When you calculate the power, you can calculate it from the wind speed, the surface, and the air density. What was this thing that was helping me? Hey, I need someone easy to make. Shows is it nog simpel? Heb je meegedaan? Ja, hartstikke gedaan. now the most nice part is to see what is inside. I have to make a little bit show, you know what. How long do you want to wait for it? 10 minutes more before he starts opening?
Yes, about 10 minutes.
You say it.
I see no electrical cable. I see no power input.
Oh yes. Well, take a look inside yourself, okay?
There is
Me
no
too.
power input.
There, kijk maar.
Nou, ik denk op dit moment nog niks. Als ik de laatste stukje niet gezien heb, dan denk ik helemaal niks. Maar we hebben wel een vermoeden hoe het werkt. Ik bedoel, het laatste stukje, daar zit het geheim van de smid. En als hij dat niet heeft laten zien, dan weten we eigenlijk nog niks 100% zeker. Maar we zijn wel aan 95% zekerheid aangeland.
Ah, yeah, it's not Jim, that's normal. But again, the next one. From there,
Kabloyu sökecek misin? Yaptım ben zaten şurada. Bir tane daha var. Orada 2 tane daha var. Ona da çıkacak, çıkartacak.
Yes. Then you turn around the moment that they make a picture of it from this inside the cage. Sure. Max, kijk het binnen. Kijk maar daar binnen de koma. The next one up here, not up. Iron there, huh? Attention, huh? The photographs. What is now closed, it will be once patented or not, depend on who is going to proceed with this. But now think where he put the battery inside. Yeah? Just think how he made it. Yeah? It's up to you. For me, it's no battery.
Jongens, ik vind het applausje waard.
Okay, then that is our demonstration. We are here today not for a lecture whatsoever. One day we'll be back. But especially the students, there is a lot of space for creativity. Yeah? It's not finished. Yeah? It's not finished.
You need an hour to put it inside again.
Yeah, he's going to work on it to put it again. But now you look around the touch and for a while. The tables are there, but otherwise will be a problem. Sorry for that. Yes, but it's good in so many people. We did the same in Saturday in Germany with 3 professors from physics. They were, of course, very enthusiastic. But it was a small group, they could do it their way and so on. But then it's a repetition. It's just showing these things. It's
ist einfach.
Light.
Light. Aber die Magneten.
Murat, 130 çalışıyor.
oh yeah, my remote that have topography. Okay, my cantilever can
Dat is het mooie van in Nederland.
zeker met machines, dat doet met de hoogste mond.
The machine is put together again. Die nemen ze op.